Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you're new here, if you are new, please subscribe. It helps me out so much. And please follow me on Instagram. I post every day and I'll leave my name on the screen. I want to get into this video, start it off. We're going to do a week in my life. Instead of just a day, I want to bring some bits and bobs of the week. So it's been a slow start to the week, but I think it's going to pick up. I think finally New York City dining is going to be opening this weekend, so I'm so excited. I'm very excited to be back in a restaurant. I really hope that it's for good. I know that we need to stay safe, but also restaurants are the heart of New York City and they're what I love so much about the city, so I can't wait to start eating in them again. I think I filmed some clips yesterday, but I never introed the video, so today is actually Tuesday, but I'll show you Monday now. And now we're back to Tuesday. Also, I wanted to show you my necklace. I am wearing the Tia necklace from my shop, so I'll link it down below. This one was like my first favorite necklace that I made, and it's just like paperclip chains. It's so cute. We also make a long one, but this one is the perfect everyday necklace, so if you're interested, I will link it down below. Also, what kind of videos do you guys want me to see? I've been like, not uninspired, but like a little bit feeling like my videos have been the same, and it's the stuff I really like to watch, so I'm very happy to watch it. In fact, I was just watching my own videos today and they make me feel so good. I love watching the videos. They're like my own home movies. But I want to know what you guys want to see. What kind of videos do you like? Let me know. Put it in the comments below because I really want to make videos that you guys want to see. I feel like I don't have any ideas right now. So actually, I'll do a little clip now. I saw someone comment that they wanted a perfume collection. Try to keep it like minimal in the perfumes that I use. So when I go through one, I don't buy it right away, and I only buy perfumes very sparingly. So perfumes that I currently have right now are these. Okay, I'll just show this one. This one is the Glossier You perfume. This is a new bottle. Actually, this is my second bottle. It is so clean. It is so nice. It's one of my favorite, and this is actually the cheapest perfume that I have. It is so nice and cheap and like the best perfume. All my friends wear it. All right, and then I have the Givenchy Jardin Précieux. It looks like this. This one's very fruity, very sweet, and like, I can't wear this all the time, but it's very sweet. Nice for like, it's very easy, you know. I do like sweeter perfumes. I don't really like musk. So this one is Way Melrose Place. Another very sweet and light, but also a little earthy in a way. I really like this one. I got it from Sephora. I love all of Way's products, and I really like the packaging of this one. Okay, and then the last perfume I have right now is the Gisou hair perfume. So this is a little bit different. It's a hair perfume, and this one's more vanilla-ish and like, I don't know. I don't usually like vanilla perfumes. Like, I know some people love vanilla or like pink sugar. I've never been a that person. Like, I really don't like those, but that one is very, very nice. And in case you're wondering, I keep my perfumes in this tray by CB2. I keep like perfumes. These are some backup necessary products that I don't have room for in my bathroom right now. Some deodorant. Also, Dove makes now. I've been trying natural deodorant, but like, I still have yet to make the full switch. So I've been trying this one that's Dove, but it's 0% aluminum. So that's good. I find that it works a little bit better than the natural ones I've been trying, but we'll see. Still on the hunt. Very cute. So that's my perfume collection. I do like perfume, but I'm not one of those people that buy like a bunch of them and have like a huge collection. So that's all I got for now. We're gonna make dinner soon, but I wanted to show another Skims haul because all I buy is Skims. I'm obsessed. So I just got this in and I want to unpackage it and put it away. So I want to show you everything I got. So I'm obsessed with their tank tops. I have them in a few colors. So they were like almost all in stock, so I got a bunch. So I got a size small in these, and this is the color Garnet. I really love this color. It's like brown. Yeah, brown. It's like a plum. It's really nice. The shorts were out of stock, so I was bummed, but I'll go back and get those. But I also got the same thing, Pacific. So this is like a blue, really cute. I just love all the tones. And then this one is Deep Sea. That's a good name for it because it's kind of like a dark blue, kind of teal color. Then I got this bra. I want to try out their triangle bras. And I got this in a size medium in the color Marble, and it fits really nice. It's super comfortable. I'm really obsessed with it. I'm gonna get more colors, but their bras are just the best material. They're so soft and stretchy and nice and just ugh. And then, oh, this is from the Boyfriend collection. So I got the tank top in the color Light Heather Gray. So this one's different. It's like a regular kind of Boyfriend Henley type of tank top, but it's like a heathered gray and it's pretty long. Yeah, okay, this is the last one that I got in this order, but I got, again, all the shorts were out. The shorts are my favorite, the boxer shorts, but this is just the boxer underwear or something. I got a size medium in the color Pacific. Oh, Dan's back with the food. So cute.
And she's zooming on all our addresses.
Got our HelloFresh boxes. I'm gonna cut the addresses out, come on.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
That's such a headache, honestly.
Also just got this package from Target, and these are like my favorite pajamas, and these are Stars Above pajamas. These are the new ones that I got. This color is like mauve brown, and these are so soft. These are the shorts. I literally wore these last night, and these are like my favorite pajamas that I have. They're the same brand, Stars Above from Target. They're always sold out because they're so good, but they're like these little button pajamas. Wow, so soft, so nice. Very happy I got another pair of those. I'll link them down below, but you need them, period. They have long sleeve and long pants, but I personally like a short sleeve short to sleep in, so go get it. Why is picking a coat literally like the hardest decision? I do look like a boy. I've decided instead of going to the gym today, I'm just gonna do some at-home stuff. Put on these, and I'm gonna do first the Sarah's Day leg workout, and then this is her profile. I'm obsessed with her. And then I'm gonna do Chloe Ting abs. I've been doing Chloe Ting abs, the like 2-week shred. I have my yoga mat that I'm gonna set up on the ground, and then I'm gonna do a little rollout. I love to use this on my back. I have really tight shoulders and shoulder blades and like my back. So I lay on this for like 20 minutes, stretch it out, roll it out, and it feels incredible. Also, how good do my nails look still? I'm telling you, don't sleep on the home manicures. Okay, I did those, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna go to the gym. I feel like walking on the treadmill right now, so I'm gonna do 12:3:30, and yeah, let's go. They're gonna close in like an hour, so I need to go now. Got back from the gym. I'm gonna clean up all these. I took a body shower, put on my Skims, and I'm gonna get ready for bed. Also, I put on my Necessaire body lotion. I don't often have products where I'm like, yup, this is it, but yup, this is it. I hate lotion. I have super dry skin and I have never in my life been someone to put lotion on. I've tried a bunch, but this one is like fragrance free, which is so nice for me because putting a lotion, I've tried the Bum Bum cream and the fragrance was too much for me. Like putting that all over my body, it was too strong. But this one is, it smells like just like a spa. It's got all these vitamins and it soaks into my skin so nicely. I still feel hydrated, but I just feel smooth. I don't feel tacky, and like, I can't tell you what that means to me. So I will be repurchasing because I am almost out and I need to get some more, but I am obsessed with this. Like, oh gosh, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face. My skin right here under my nose has been all-time level high of dryness. I'm not into it. It's so easy to wash your face with your hair like this. It's like already not in the way. Alright, I'm gonna do this toner. Then I've been doing this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. I have the face mask, but this is just like a mist, so I do it like in between steps for, you know, a little bit extra, and I really like it. Gonna do this right on my face. If you're doing tan drops on your face, make sure you put it like all the way into your hairline, because I've had it where it's like just a brown line right here. Not cute. Like I am lathering myself in oils, like oil after oil, and my skin is just still so dry. Also, my hair is growing out so much. We don't need to talk about it. Then I'm gonna use this LMS oil. I'm even gonna put this Ultra Repair Intense Hydration over it and down my neck. I still have to take my contacts out, but it's still early. Well, like 10 o'clock, so. Ow, ow, ow. I cut my finger. So Dan has to make my tea. It's nice because I have homemade lemonade, so I can make the medicine ball.
This room should
leave a little bit, just a little. Nice.
Me today, by the way.
That's inaccurate.
If I was any further from your face, I wouldn't even be in this apartment anymore.
Hi. So I made a little medicine ball at home, which is the Starbucks green citrus mint tea or something. So these are the two teas you need from Teavana. They always have them at Target. It's the Jade Citrus Mint and the Peach Tranquility from Teavana. And then they do like steamed lemonade. I made lemonade, so I put a splash of that and then some honey. And it's super good and really easy. And this cup is cute. Anything to say, Peanut Gallery? A midnight snack, literally. These are unreal. I'm just cracking myself up. He's not amused. Okay, we just got dinner and it looks incredible. Wow, it smells so good. So these are Korean chicken wings. These are Korean barbecue beef bao buns. I'm obsessed with bao buns. This is a chicken teriyaki bowl. So it's got like kimchi and chicken and carrots and rice under. And then this is like Korean barbecue steak bowl with like an egg and noodles, kimchi, stuff like that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go put it out on plates though. Gotta get my chopsticks. These are like metal ones from Crate and Barrel because the ones they give you are like horrible. I just did my nails. I had red on before, so they're like a little grown out, but I had pulled off most of this hand, so I redid this hand a little bit. And I added hearts for Valentine's Day. Like, how cute.